So the Supreme Court didn't give us their ruling on Friday with regard to the legality of Trump's tariffs. We were expecting that along with the non-farm payrolls were the two big prints we were looking out for. Instead, they gave rulings on other cases and they delayed it and kicked the can down the road apparently till next week. But it's all about the international emergency economic powers which Trump enacted and whether or not he's exceeded his authority on this subject. Let's assume, and there's already the news flow that's been noisy at best so far in this department has been that there's a good chance this is going to get walked back, and let's assume for argument's sake that it does get walked back. The likes of Nike, Capri, Adidas, Ross Stores, TJX, to name a few. Nike is obviously one that I've been buying back. I bought it back a couple of weeks ago and then sold it just as a trade because it's obviously going to knock around in a range for the time being, because there's a lot of work to be done under the new management and of course to get themselves out of the doldrums that they're in. However, this would be an immediate impact to the bottom line for them and all those other names I just mentioned. But Nike is obviously a focus for mine. Lululemon as well is on my list because obviously they now have a proxy fight. They have, and the CEO's leaving, the founders essentially making a big hoo-ha about how they're going to recapture growth, and there's a lot going on under the hood. So Lululemon and Nike are the two names that I'm focusing on as big apparel recovery names this year. And make no mistake, if this court ruling comes in positively, it will be probably somewhere in the order of a 10% spike for both those stocks. So I'll report back as soon as we have more information.